Hello and welcome back, everyone. This is Doc Padama, and this time we will try to help our senior high school students who are taking up their research subjects, specifically PR1, PR2, or quantitative and qualitative research. So, these are a compilation of research titles that will help you and guide you to formulate your own research titles. So, again, these sample research titles, the purpose is to help you and guide you to understand how to craft your own research titles. So, I will be covering almost all of the strands. Hopefully, mako-cover natin lahat ng strands that are being offered in the senior high school. So let's get started with the first set of strands under ABM. So this is what we will be doing. I am going to go through the different strands starting with ABM, and these are the sample research titles under the ABM strand. And then again, some of these titles, if it is already specific enough, pwede nyo nang gamitin as is. Okay? But I would advise you to try to learn the different variables that you need in order to make your research title more um, personal, specific, and make sure that it really fits what your teacher requires from you. Okay? So that basically is the purpose of this compilation. Another from ABM Strand is another set of research titles that you can use. So what you can do is you can just screenshot or you can go back and then you try to choose the best research title that would fit your need. Okay, another after ABM, you have GAS or the General Academic Strand. Again, you can just screenshot from the selections that you are looking at right now. So we're just going to go through and browse the different uh, proposed research titles. So again, this is under the GAS research titles. So you have another 15 proposed research titles under the general academic strand. Let's go to the next page. This time, under Hume's. So yung mga nagte-take naman ng Hume strand. So again, if you observe, merong nakalagay na kulay pula dyan. There are also videos in my YouTube channel at Doc at Padama that can teach you how to craft your research title from scratch. And madali lang kasi may ginagamit na template doon. So again, this is from Hume's and this is the sample proposed research title. Another set ng Hume's and then 15 more sample proposed research titles, and this one is updated. Mamaya, I think I also included yung mga 2024 version because some of these versions, meron pa kayong makikita mga COVID na terms. So meaning, nung panahon ng COVID, pwede nyong gamitin yan. Pero yung panahon ngayon, hindi na pwede. Okay, yun yung sinasabi nating kailangan customized yung mga research titles. Kung hindi na siya napapanahon, hindi nyo na dapat gamitin. So, the next one is the STEM strand. So, we have two sets ng STEM strand proposed research titles here. Ito pa yung isa. Ayan. So, again, this is under STEM and this is the proposed research titles under that strand. Okay, next. Moving on to the next page. Anyway, you can just go back naman kung mga na-miss ninyo. That's the good thing about YouTube videos. You can rewind, you can fast forward, you can speed up kung ano lang yung gusto ninyong part. So this one is now TVL. And then later on, mamaya yung TVL ninyo will be specific kagaya nito, TVL Automotive. Meron tayong TVL Cookery and so on and so forth. So these are the proposed research titles under that strand. So this is for pagsabay na natin. si TVL Automotive, and TVL Bread and Pastry. Again, these are the proposed research titles under these strands. So the next one, pagsabay na rin natin ito. So this is TVL Home Economics and you have TVL Industrial Arts. So I hope this will help you formulate and craft your research title. Hindi pa tayo tapos, meron pa yan. Okay, next page. Under TVL pa rin, pagsabay na natin itong dalawa, you have TVL Agricultural Fishery, and these are the proposed research titles, and then you have TVL Cookery, and these are the proposed research titles. The next one, another TVL Cookery that you can use, and then you have 15 proposed research title under TVL Cookery. Next, TVL Food and Beverages. TVL Food and Beverages. So this is the proposed research title for TVL Food and Beverages, and then TVL na ICT, Information and Communication Technology, under the TVL strand. And this is the proposed research titles. I think meron pa tayo. Okay, so the next one is another addition, but this is, I think, 2024 ABM strand ng research titles. And this is the proposed research title. So aside from the one given earlier, tignan ninyo, baka dito meron kayong magamit. Another is, again, under the general academic strand or GAS. Additional yan doon sa nauna kanina. And then you have another, because this is for 2024. So this one, another STEM strand research titles, but this was crafted in 2024. Okay, I think meron pa. Hume strand ng 2024. Okay, and then this is the proposed research titles for Hume's. And then you have another GAS for 2024. You have another 10 for the general academic strand, and then under ng STEM sa 2024, you have another 10. I think this is the last one. No, meron pa. So you have another proposed research title sa Hume's. Kung kita nyo, siguro naman by going through all of these compilations, meron na kayong makuha dyan sa mga binibigay natin. Share nyo din ito sa classmates ninyo, groupmates ninyo, na nagtatake din ng research para matulungan nyo din sila. Lalong-lalo na yung mga wala pang research titles. So another is from ABM, additional na ito. This is from 2024 and this is the proposed research title. Another is GAS, ganun din. This is another 2024 version. And then if I'm not mistaken, this is the last one. Also, the next video that I will be creating para naman sa mga college, graduate school, and professionals. Okay? So, yung mga proposed research titles under dito sa tatlong area na ito. So, medyo mas mahaba yan kasi madami. Hahatiin na lang ulit natin. So, again, I would like to invite all of you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check it out kasi marami pang mga tutorial videos that can help you simplify research writing. Mas mapapadali, mas mapapabilis yung pagsusulat ninyo ng inyong research paper. Thank you very much, everyone. Stay safe and God bless. This is Doc Ed Padama and I'll see you again in our next video. Bye!